Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Creating a home you love doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. It's about finding touches that add warmth, personality, and style, all while staying budget-friendly. Today we're diving into 10 budget-friendly home decor ideas to transform your space. We're talking simple DIYs, creative repurposing, and hidden gems that add charm. So grab a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's dive in.
Adding unique character to a space is easy by hunting for treasures at thrift stores and flea markets. You can find vintage vases, one-of-a-kind artwork, and furniture with good bones waiting for love. The thrill of the hunt is half the fun, and you never know what hidden gems you'll uncover. A little cleaning and DIY magic can turn a diamond in the rough into a cherished statement piece.
Sometimes, all it takes to transform a room is to simply rearrange the furniture. Try swapping out your sofa and armchairs, moving your coffee table, or even rearranging your bed to create a whole new feel. It's like hitting the refresh button on your space without spending a dime. This is a great opportunity to try different layouts and see what works best for your lifestyle and the flow of your home.
Adding a personal touch to your walls doesn't have to be expensive. DIY wall art is a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and add a pop of personality to your space. Think about creating a gallery wall with inexpensive frames and your favorite photos or prints. You can also try your hand at painting a simple abstract piece or using washi tape to create geometric designs. The possibilities are endless.
Chapter 4. The Art of Repurposing. Don't underestimate the power of repurposing. Give old items new life in your home. An old ladder can be a charming bookshelf, vintage suitcases can be unique side tables, and mason jars can be rustic vases or storage. You'll be amazed at the creative ways to repurpose everyday items.
Chapter 5. The Power of Paint. Creating an accent wall. One of the simplest and most budget-friendly ways to add a dramatic change to a room is by painting an accent wall. Choose a color that complements your existing decor, whether it's a bold hue to make a statement or a calming shade to create a cozy atmosphere. An accent wall can define a space, highlight architectural details, or simply add a splash of personality without overwhelming the room.
Chapter 6. Instant refresh, swap out throw pillows. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make the biggest difference. Swapping out your throw pillows is an easy and affordable way to refresh the look and feel of your living room or bedroom. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures to create a whole new vibe. You can even change your pillows seasonally to match the changing colors and moods of nature.
Chapter 7. Create a magical ambiance, the charm of string lights. String lights aren't just for holidays anymore. These twinkling wonders can add a touch of magic and warmth to any space year-round. Drape them above your bed for a cozy canopy, hang them along a bookshelf to create a focal point, or use them to add ambience to your outdoor living area. The soft, inviting glow of string lights creates a welcoming and enchanting atmosphere.
Bringing the outdoors in is a wonderful way to add life, color, and freshness to your home. Indoor plants not only enhance the beauty of your space, but also purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Choose plants that thrive in your home's lighting conditions, and don't be afraid to mix and match different sizes and varieties for a lush and inviting feel.
Gallery walls are a beautiful way to showcase your favorite memories, artwork, and personal treasures. Start by gathering a collection of frames in different sizes and styles. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Print out your favorite photos, frame pieces of wallpaper or fabric, or even include small decorative objects to create a visually interesting and meaningful display.
When it comes to budget-friendly decorating, multifunctional furniture is a game changer, especially in smaller spaces. Look for pieces that serve more than one purpose, like a storage ottoman that doubles as extra seating or a coffee table with built-in shelves for storage. These versatile pieces help to maximize space while adding both style and functionality to your home.
Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope these budget-friendly decor ideas have inspired you to create a home you love. Remember, it's all about adding those personal touches that make your space feel warm and inviting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. I can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy decorating!